Hello viewers, it is nice following your questions in my DM, and it's your favorite tutor. This is a question on statistics that requires us to determine the correlation coefficient between two variables, that is variable y and x. And I want you to understand that the word correlation coefficient refers to the degree of association or relation between two variables. Now here is a question that is given in form of a formula. Now the question has already been stated and the formula is also stated here. We have to use r equals summation xy divided by square root of summation x squared times square root of summation y squared. Oh, this is summation y squared. Don't forget that. So what do you need to do to solve this problem? To solve this problem, you need to sum up the data, sum it up. You add this up, that is, let's say 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. This is equal to 40. This is 40. And 4 plus 7, 4 plus, we have 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. Is equal to 27. This is 27. The summation of that is 27. When you add this up is 27. When you add this up is 40. So what do you need here? You need your x, you need your y. And how do you get x? Your x is equal to summation x minus x bar. What's the meaning of x bar? X bar is the mean of x. So that is the addition of this, then divided by the number of observations. Your x bar is equal to summation x over n. And summation x is 27 divided by number of observations. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. That is 27. 27 divided by 5 equals 5.4. 5.4. That is the mean of x. And then we also need the mean of y, which is x bar. Mean of y is x bar. That's summation y divided by n, and that is 40. 40 divided by 5. No, the 40 divided by 5 equals 8. That is 8. So we need our x, we need our y, which is equal to y minus y bar. And then we also need our x squared because of this formula. We also need our y squared, our y squared. Let's do it this way. So you can see, now how do we do that? That's 6 for y now. Let's start with x first. That is 4 minus 5.4. That is 4 minus 5.4. That is minus 1.4 minus 1.4. And then we have 3 minus 5.4, 5.4, that is minus 2.4. We have 5 minus 5.4, that's 5 minus 5.4, that's minus 0.4, and then 7 minus 5.4, 7 minus 5.4, that's equal to 1.6. And then we have 8 minus 5.4. 8 minus 5.4. That is equal to 2.6. We're going to do same for y, which is 6 minus 8. We have 6 minus 8. That's minus 2. 7 minus 8, we have minus 1. And then 8 minus 8, that's 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. So the next is this square, minus 4.5, 1.4 square, 2.4 square, 0.4 square, 1.6 square, and 2.6 square. So what we have is 1.4 square, that is 1.96. We have 1.96. This square is 1.96, and 2.4 square, 2.4 squared, that is 5.76. 5.76, and 0.4 squared minus 0.4 squared, 0.4 squared That's 0.16. And then we have 1.6 squared, that is 2.56, and then 2.6 squared, 2.6 squared, that's the same as 6.76, don't forget. So we are going to square this also, that is minus 2 squared, that's 4, this is 1, is 0, this is this one here is 1, and this one here is 4. And then we need xy, this xy, we need our xy up there. That is this times this gives you 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 this, and this times this gives you. So we are going to say minus 1.4 times minus 2, that is going to be 2.8. We have 2.8 here. Now minus 2.4 times minus 1, that's 2.4, and minus 0.4 times 0 is 0, and then 1.6 times 1 is 1.6, and then 2.6, so 2.6 times 2 is equal to 5.2. So we are going to add it up, sum this everything up. So this is 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1, 6, plus 4, that's 10 here. And then we need summation of this square, we have 1.96 plus 5.76 plus 0.16 plus 2.56 plus 6.76 this is equal to 17.2. Now we need to sum this up also. Sum up this also. So if you add it up, that's 2.8 plus 2.4 plus 1.6 plus 5.2, that is 12. The summation of that is 12. Now, yes, we are almost there. We've added this up, we added this up. So the next is to look at the formula. What's the formula? The formula is R equal to summation of xy. Now look, summation of xy. What is summation xy? This summation means addition. Don't forget that. Addition of xy, that's 12 divided by square root of summation of x squared. And summation of x squared is 17.2 times square root of 10. Summation of y is 10. So what we need here is to find the square root of 17.2. That is we're going to find our r is equal to 12 divided by, let's say, 4.147 to 3 decimal place times, let's say, square root of 10. Square root of 10 is equal to 3.162. 162. So your r is equal to 12 divided by the product of the two, that is 4.147 times 3.162. That's going to give us 13.113 to 3 decimal place, 113 to 3 decimal place. So if you look at this, you now say 12 divided by this. Now you now press your 12 divided by 13.113. That gives you 0.915. So that shows that the correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.915. You can see 0.915. What is this trying to tell you? That there is a strong positive relationship between x and y in this data collected. Thanks for following up on our videos. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.